Hola amigos, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. If you haven't been here, welcome to my kitchen. Here I'm sharing with you a family and traditional recipes from my countries of origin, Spain. We are in the summer, and the summer we need, our body asks us for very refreshing dishes. It's so hot outside that we can eat very heavy or very hot dishes. We have so many watermelons. It's the season of the watermelons, as well as the tomato. So we are going to mix the watermelon with the tomato to make it a really tasty and refreshing gazpacho. So let's start to making it. As always, all the ingredients that you need to make that gazpacho will be at the end of the recipe. So let's start to making it. Hoy voy a compartir con ustedes un gazpacho de sandía. Estamos en verano y es una bebida súper refrescante. Acompáñenme. For that recipe, of course, we are needing some watermelon and tomato. We need a blender to mix everything. So I have 2 cups of watermelon that basically is the same quantity of the watermelon than the tomato. So I have my 2 cups of watermelon, my 2 cups of tomato with a seed, with the seed, with the skin, with completely everything. I put it inside. I have half of green pepper, bell green pepper, or any green pepper that you like, a quarter of an onion, depend how big it is. I have it here, and now I have 1 garlic, and I took out the vein if you have it something, and now I put it here in my blender, and I have 1 lemon. So one trick is with a lemon, if you want to get more juicy, you just squeeze it like this and you get more juice. I put the juice of my lemon inside, and we are going to blend everything here. I'm going to put a little bit of water. You don't need to put water if you don't want to, because I wanted to make it like more a soup. But if you wanted to have it more heavy consistency, skip the water. Or if you see that the tomatoes are very juicy and the watermelon. So I'm going, that is half a cup. I'm going just to put a quarter of a cup there. Then I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, to blend everything and to be infusion. All this ingredient, we need some olive oil. I recommend you to use the best extra virgin olive oil that you can find. I'm going to use 3 spoons. 1, 2, and 3 inside. That is a really easy. And some salt. And some salt. And you are just going to blend everything in our blender. And keep blending now, so blend it as much as possible, and you see that the color, as much as you blend it, it will get more reddish. We are going to put it in a container and keep it in the refrigerator for a few hours. The gazpacho is done, and you taste it to see if you need more salt. My presentation, that is with a little bit of the watermelon. I'm going to serve my gazpacho, and I think that your guests will be impressed. Presentation, you have a dinner or a lunch with some friends, and they will be very impressed. Right, and get my spoon and to see how that is like. That is really refreshing. It's perfect for the very hot days in the summer that you want something refreshing. Take it to the beach. That will be perfect for a dinner, for a lunch. I think your friends, you can serve it in a big bowl with some, a cube of watermelon. You will be really impressed. I hope you like my gazpacho, my watermelon gazpacho, the recipe of today. I hope you have, if you like it, please thumb up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. And I hope you have a wonderful day, and I see you next week. Bye-bye. Adios.